I am a Corolla DX95 for sale. I don't like to talk about my past. I still roll, and that's something. I know about dismantled friends, retired, demolished. I know about gas lobbies and the bipolar disorder of my owner. I know I need an oil change and an urgent brakes check. But I will not say anything until the weekend when I go down a deadly hill.
I am a lot in Eve 1983. Unfortunately, I spent 3 years in this used cars store. Before I stayed 5 on a filthy place where the employees took me joyriding. The next day I came back full of scratches and bruises. I was also in auctions where the children kicked my bumper and dogs pissed on me. I'm sick of this life. I remember the 80s with nostalgia. I traveled the countryside with my old family and they treated me nicely. Suddenly they dismissed me after a layoff and divorce. I'm not a bad car. I have a Fiat 1600cc engine. I would save you a lot of fuel. Remember M4X4? I have only 2 doors. Think about the safety of your children. Think about how good you would drive with me. Please get me out of this dump. I'm cheap. If you pay in cash, they give you an extra tire for free. I have to leave by any means. Here they are threatening to break me down and use my pieces as parts or foundry. What a disgrace. I was born as a red.
I am a transformer, but nobody believes me.
Mary Jane Watson says she loves Peter Parker, but she only ruins his life. Louise Lane says she loves Clark Kent, but she only ruins his life. Selena Kyle says she loves Bruce Wayne, but she only ruins his life. Steve Trevor says he loves Wonder Woman, but he only ruins her life. Kyle Janadu says he loves Jean-Paul Bibier, but he only ruins his life. The real enemies of a superhero are not the villains but their lovers, who tear off all their costumes, masks and belts, leaving them with no money, sex or superpowers.
The moon is not a pop song, a made cheese, or a rock rolling down the eye of the sun. The moon isn't a game. Isn't a baby in a building on fire. Isn't your arms around my sadness. No. The moon is just a version of myself. A version created to destroy me in a few seconds with his deathful light. A nonsense of all the senses. A reason to write and put it all in a poem and survive to the magnetic circle. A force created by myself against myself. A moon who eats my white full eye, in the middle of the night.
Una verdad queda visible en el tendido eléctrico, haciendo cortocircuito con la cotidianidad. La luz se va y viene. Cambios feroces de voltaje intensifican el abandono total. Escucho atento al cielo tratando de matarme con sus frías manos. A lo lejos, un color opaco se repite hasta el infinito. Adentro, las maldiciones de la tormenta no son ajenas. La desesperación del deber, la inevitable y su drástica sentencia. Esta vez asoma, invade los poros del duro invierno que somos, que nunca falta el encuentro con el necesitado. Yo soy ese necesitado. Escampo bajo el árbol de cemento. Miro el viento feroz devorando otra oportunidad. Algo se mueve encima del muro. Es un enorme ratón, apetito devorador del hombre, el rencor olvidado, caminando veloz bajo este maldito aguacero de fin de noviembre por la tarde, solo en casa, ajeno a todo lo demás, mujer de lluvia, lluvia de mujer, que es este vendaval de locura. Pedazo de papel triste, decoro frases con tinta azul negros, ojos chillantes perdidos en mi cuarto, buscan tu nombre debajo la cama, pies, mentiras, debajo de las líneas, líneas, líneas. Estaba bien, no estaba tan mal, era bueno, saludable, respetuoso, caminaba erguido, saludaba a los vecinos, ahora solo escondo el día que soy, gris, ilusión de larga cola sucia, peluda, esta rata mojada porque el cielo se impuso conmigo. Lluvia de muerte, frío agonizo, pobre del que fui sin saber lo que no sabes quién fui porque lluevo. Caen ojos marchitos, incontinencia, llanto, sonido de tinieblas, martillo, martillo, en el techo martillo. Silencio, gota, 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 viento, leve gemido, frío silencio, pero el viento no cesa, aún nada se escucha en mí, solo gotas, gotas, que se desparraman sobre la explanada que tengo por cabeza, gotas, gotas, este charco donde paso los días, reina.